Hi everyone! Now let's see how a seller can easily manage their profile in Bagisto's Multivendor Marketplace. First, log into the seller dashboard by clicking on the Seller Login button. Once the dashboard is open, go to Manage Profile. You can change the banner image by clicking on the three dots. Similarly, change the logo using the same option. Fill in details such as name, email address, phone number, business name, and address, including city, country, state, and postcode. Also, you can add a short description about your store and include social links like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. In the Settings section, set the minimum order amount and add your Google Analytics ID. Write your return, shipping, and privacy policies to keep customers informed. Manage meta information such as the meta title, keywords, and description. Finally, click Save Profile, and the profile will be updated successfully. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.